Hey everyone, in this video we're going to go ahead and get the resend token modal hooked up to the controller. We can go ahead and submit new tokens. So the first thing I want you guys to do is open up the resend token modal and the forgot token modal in partials and change the type for the submit button to submit. You can do that for both of them. And in the controllers, let me bring this down just a little bit, make it a little easier to see. So just underneath where we are verifying, when they click on the link from the email, you'll create a new route or a new controller function that's called new verification token. And what this does is when they go to the modal and they type in their email address, it's going to find them by their email, and if there is no user account, it'll flash an error and it'll send them back to the register page. If there is a user and the user is already verified, it'll send them an error message and said that you've already verified your account and to please log in. If neither of those exist, then we're going to go ahead and create a new token. We're going to save the token. We're going to set the same URL when they register, because this is still a verification token and it's just going to send them a new welcome message. But instead of it just saying welcome to YelpCamp, we'll just put a dash and then new token. And then it's the exact same success message and it forwards them to campgrounds. Once you get this wrote out and pause it, go ahead and finish it up. And your routes folder under user.js, underneath the verify route, you'll add this line of code right here. So pause it, add that real quick, and then I'll show you how this works. Okay, so if we look at MongoDB, this is my only user account, and right now I'm verified. I verified from the email, my account's active, I'm able to log in. So what should happen is if I click on resend token and type in my email address and hit submit, I should get this error message. And that works. So if we go back here and I change this to false and I hit update, and if I do the same thing, now it's saying this account doesn't exist. I wonder if I typed in my email wrong. Let's try this again. There we go. I must have typed it in and just didn't catch it. Sorry. So anyway, now I'm going to get an email that says I need to check my email to verify my account. I'm going to grab my email, bring it over here, and there it is. So it's welcome to YelpCamp, new token, and I'm going to copy this link because, again, Firefox. Hit enter, and my account's been verified, and I'm logged back in. Well, that's it for this video. In the next video, we are actually going to go ahead and wire up the forgot password modal, get the controller built for it, get it to where it'll send emails, and then click a link to where they can change out their password. I'll see you guys in the next video.